This video will help us to understand some sample questions which are given in GRE Quantitative Reasoning. In this practice test, I have given the solution for few of the questions given in GRE. We are given a bar diagram. Using this bar diagram, we have to answer this question. From 1988 to 1991, which corporate sector decreased its support for the arts by the greatest dollar amount? So when we see this, for the financial, there is an increase. For services also there is increase. The decreases are the remaining four, out of which the manufacturing has got more decrease because 31% to 20%. So your answer is manufacturing and answer is B. Using the same bar graph, let us answer this question. Of the retail sector's 1991 contributions to the arts, 1/4 went to symphony and 1/2 of this remainder went to public. So 8% of 520, let us see what is 8% of 520, because for the retail sector I am trying to find what is 8% of 520, 41.6. So this 1/4 of this goes to symphony. So 1/4 of that will be 10.4 goes to symphony, and it says from the remaining, that is 41.6 minus 10.14, from that remaining, half of that goes to public TV. So 15.6 million will go to the public TV. So now we are trying to find approximately how many $1 million more did the retail sector contribute to public television. So we are trying to find the difference between that. That is 5.2, so that will contribute 5.2 million more to symphony. So your answer is A, which is 5.2 million. Now in this question, the total number of recording titles distributed by music distributors L and M is 9,300. The number of recording titles for L is 7,100, for M is 5,200. So if I add L and M, though that must be 9,200 because that is the total amount. If L is the amount for the distributed L and M is the number of records distributed in M, the total amount is 9,300, so that's the thing. But 7,100 plus 5,200 is 12,300, which is greater. So my answer can be either A or B, because more than half of the titles distributed by L are also distributed by M, or we can also say that more than half of the titles distributed by M are also distributed by L. If C and D are positive integers, M is the greatest common factor of C and D, then M must be the greatest common factor of C and which of the following integers? So I have to find, maybe we'll take a test value C as 12 and D as 6, the GCD is 6 here. Next I am trying to find the GCD of C and C plus D, the GCD of C and CD. So I can say that only in these cases the result is true. So that will be, must be the greatest common factor, which is the following integer. So my answer is A. The average arithmetic mean of 11 numbers in a list is 14. The average of 9 numbers in the list of 9 is 9. So the sum of 9 numbers by 9 is 9. So the sum of 9 numbers 81. and the sum of 11 numbers by 11, because the arithmetic average is 14. So sum of 11 by 11 is 14. So from this I can find sum of 11 numbers to be 154. But the sum of 11 numbers can be split into two groups. Sum of 9 numbers plus sum of the remaining 2. Already we got the sum of 9 numbers to be 81. Plugging in that result, sum of the remaining 2 will be 154 minus 81, which is 73. And the average for this will be 73 by 2, which is 36.5. So your answer is 36.5. For this question, of 750 participants in a professional meeting, 450 are females, and half of the female and 1/4 of the male participants are less than 30 years old. So we have got 450 female and 300 male. Half of the female and 1/4 of the male, which is 300. It says 300 of them are less than 30 years old. So the probability of selecting this will be number of favorable outcome is 300 out of the total 750. So the answer is 2/5 here for the probability, and hence the answer is D for this question. In the xy plane, what is the slope of the line whose equation is 3x minus 2y equal to 8? So I have to rewrite this in the slope-intercept form. 2y is 3x minus 8, or y will be half of 3x minus 8, which is 3 by 2 x minus 4. That m, coefficient of x, is the slope. So the slope is 3 by 2, and the y-intercept is negative 4. The question here is, what is the slope of the line? So the slope of the line is 3 by 2, and the answer is D. So in this video, we saw some of the practice questions, and we saw how to solve those values quickly. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for listening, and thank you for watching.